Ubak lakmen rembui Myntri berikmi ia ketanat pulih ke Sorkar jela ulapen pau ke Lyngngoh artatian halor ke rai jong Meghalaya Transport Corporation ban Sangeh ia ke jing syakri ha balik bo bat Skul nadu ke shitarik uyayong arja apun rio da ke bekedau ba ke Sorkar hi kampat syong ya keren halor kani. Ulang ba Khlem detip ya ke dau balai ke MTC ke Sangeh kumta kan long ke be ya u ban kan thoi namar kani ke wanra Lyngngoh khia na kalyang kikmi kikpa. Ulang bakasin jam ke Sorkar da kabapli yaki bus stamps ars na mensuado konrad ki sangma Myntri rang ba kajelak kelalong kejerap yaki pat ba.
We have not seen the report also that why the MTC have stopped. So until and unless I know the reason, it is very difficult for me to comment on that. But having said that, we have seen that the government is encouraging the carpooling for the student so that it will solve the traffic congestion. More importantly, it will help the student community. And I'm very grateful to Honorable Chief that 2 years back he have launched this STEM bus, which is quite helpful. I'm sure that the government will increase the availability. I'm sure the government have the proper plan to tackle this decision of MTC. As I said, that it is the duty of the government. The government is for the public, and we will see if the STEM bus is very helpful, and I know it's very helpful. The government will surely will increase their numbers in the years and months to come.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.